Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be restoring this engine. This is a Honda two-stroke engine from the CN family. There's very little known about this engine. It was picked out of a scrapyard as the next project, and it's got some problems. As you can see, this is like this. There's a bit of a crack here. And we're gonna try to do a proper full restoration on this. I mean, just look at this. Ugh. This is gross and very loose. So we're gonna see what we can do to this in an upcoming video. I'm sorry that we have not been able to upload any videos recently, but we've been looking for a new project for the channel. So this will be uploaded in the next couple of days. Piece by piece. I'm thinking it's going to be a 10 to 12 part series. Much love from Carwire Channel.